Minista Muviani wa Maundu Mutiuuko Kauntini ya Masaku Dr. Joel Nzomo Niwaweta kana Silikali ya Kaunti ya Masaku Nikuendeea Kukwata Mbau Maundu Vata Kivo Kisomo Isioni Syonthe na Muno kwa Amanyiw'a la Maumite Misyi ila ina Ukwati Munini. Nzomo inani yangu ya chaume tala iseso ni ya kunyeje sieki siya basari aweta kana iseso ye itoiwe na umelu wa dine Syonthe siya kaunti ino unani waki wikuwa Mbau ni MCA watala Jackson Ndaka wala wakuli atongo wikuma Silikali ni akate kwa kana nangusa niso ikonetyo uwania wa basari kana kubengesa Ngavana yulwa wala ni Boniface.
Joel Nzomo inena skuluni wa sekondari wa chaume kuyatala wetakana Silikali ya Kaunti ya Masaku ni wadhie mpanjeti mbenu kuondoa Maundu ma Kisomo kwitha Kisomo kichafata muno kuya muikala maendena kuyanana mekwati trivinda ni yengi yukite.
Wona Governor aithi to an extent ya utenga budget nene ya development yuke kwa bursaries na yuke kwa department ya Kisomo tuambiena hisindi tuyoka Governor wapina yoka kibilani school mbingi ya imbake in many schools on ilasi ya imbake right now ona limo ma hisindis madhukoma matekwe panesa on them in one group na you nondo a scheme of service alimu ma hisindi nimedha measio nondo Ngavana wekete mupango mosopyo wa Kisomo na mambi ya hisindi teaching woka kwa vocational kiuni Kisomo na ndi woka kwa alama secondary na universities na colleges kumanenga basali ni kana masome ona alama kuemewa pyo still ni ukuli another basali mundu akanewa akakwata ni kana kasoma tuikwenda mundu mwe ukikala numba kwa Ngavana wekete mupango museo wa kwenisuya kana siana Syonthe ila nindi in this Machakos County ni siya kwata evuzo ya usoma na ya kuendeesya Maundu mo nundu future ya county in the nwa siana inini kana withie ni siya kwata opportunity ila yetu takwata
vayongela kana wanya wilovia siamba sero twaiwe na withianu na umelu mwingi vamwe na wiananu no kana kuvikia utalo munene wa Amanyiw'a na Muno la Maumite Misyi Ukwati Munini kuendesa Maundu ma Kisomo
na umundi twanengane checks sio kwa the most nindi siana the most nindi na imona siana ila tueta pa ni siana fairly nindi na imwe na ingi school introbate school nondo akukoza school fees kila ward ni kwata 3 million from the governor's kit na school hii besa glasi onenga no kwa schools administration na ofisi wa mujumbe ni usio kainge wati ni kana withie ni mind and vai siana isu kana siana wa city na school yeso pingwa next week nwethe ya mujumbe na the office of administrator na mind isu kana kila kana ka kwata city ya ngili 3 ila sia day schools na ngili 5 ila sia secondary schools na alama university of course 7,000
MCA Odia Tara Jackson Ndakaiweta kana vena watu wangu wataniwa katikati wa dhuku mionde Silikali ya Kaunti ya Masaku no kana kuyanisema wathumo
priority number 1 dinywe ninyo mandu miambungene ngamuthukume nene thana kindelela mbe wandu kana ndia atuma Masaku ngokite na atumiwa Masaku ngamanthe andu matala sindu today we muthenya musio muno pala wona the whole executive tuithukuma bamwe both the assembly and the executive working together to make sure people are getting the right service
valaingi wakulia ndongo ikuma Silikali ni akati kweka ukitamu wangu ambasari ulawe ungua Silikali siya Kaunti.
Indeed, Governor Wavinya was in first line defending the issue of the bursary within the counties sinengwe within the country of the Kenya. And my big concern was to the national government. Some of them, they were trying to kill the dreams of the governors by kanengane bursaries. But right now the schools are in danger. So close were very early before their time because the capitation, even the school did not receive the capitation up to now. And it is my appeal to the national government. Let them stop the fight and ensure the governors continue issuing the bursaries because our bursaries, we could have issued it timely. And because of those infights, that's why we are issuing it during this time when the school are about to be closed. Kounye ni appeal to the president. Let him and his team dwell more in development and stop politicking. Because we can see right now, you are moving here and there pretending you are trying to empower the people. But the policies of the national government, you are not there to implement it in time. So take kin of issue about the school and even the matters development, which you promise you are the people that you're going to deliver and do it timely.
Kauntini ya Masaku matungulu nyeni toboni Mutisia.